Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Standard 8, subject Mathematics, and the topic we are going to see, linear equation. Before going into this exercise, you should know what is an equation. Okay? See, an equation is a mathematical statement which express an equality between two algebraic expressions. Okay, so an equation is a mathematical statement which express the equality between two algebraic expressions. Okay, and see the topic. What is linear equation? You know now. So what is by linear? Here you see. What is the variable present in this equation? X. What is the power of the variable? 1. Okay. So, the power of the variable is 1. The highest power of the variable is called its degree. Yes. So, the degree is 1 now. If the degree is 1, then it is called linear. Okay. If the degree is 1, then it is called linear. So you can understand what is linear equation now. Okay, shall we go into the exercise? Yes, listen children, we are going to solve this. Okay, first one, what is given? 8x plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 44. So we are going to solve. So we are going to find the value of this variable. So what I am going to do now, I am going to bring all the x terms one side and the constant terms one side. Okay, listen. So, what are the x terms we have? 8x and 5x. I am going to bring all the x terms one side. So, 8x and this 5x, when I bring this side, plus 5x becomes minus 5x. Okay, and what is your plus 44? And I am going to bring this plus 40 to this side means minus 14. Okay. What is 8x minus 5x? 3x. Okay. What is 44 minus 14? 30. Okay. So, this is 3 into x. Okay. So, I need only the value of the variable x, right? So, I am going to keep that alone this side. I am going to take this 3 to that side means into 3 becomes division 3. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So, the value of x is what? X is 10. Do you understand this? Shall we move on to the next sum? Listen. 5m plus 7 is equal to 10m minus 3. Now we are going to find the value of m. Shall we find it? So what I am going to do? I am going to take all the m's one side and all the constant terms one side. Okay? Is 5m. Okay? This 10m becomes minus 10m. Okay? And this is minus 3 plus 7 becomes by minus 7. Okay. Now you see what is 5m minus 10m? Yes, minus 5m is equal to minus 3 minus 7. When you have to add and put the same symbol, right? If we have same symbol, we have to add and put the same symbol. So we will get minus 10. So now we need the value of the variable m. So I am going to write m is equal to minus 10, this into minus 5 becomes division minus 5. Okay. Now I can cancel minus and minus. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. What is the value of m now? Value of m is 2. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah, listen. 8y minus 14 is equal to 6 minus 2y. The same procedure, I am going to bring all the variable terms one side and the constant to the other side. Okay. So, 8y minus 2y becomes plus 2y. Okay. and here I have 6 and this minus 14 becomes plus 14. Okay, so 8y plus 2y, 10y. 6 plus 14, what you will get? 20. Okay, so 10 into 1. So I need only y. So y is equal to 20 into 10 becomes division 10. You all know 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So the value of y is 2. Let us see fourth sum now. What is given? 6p minus 21 is equal to p plus 4. So I am going to bring all the p terms one side. So 6p and plus p becomes minus p is equal to, and here we have 4 and minus 21 becomes plus 21. So what is 6p minus p? That is 5p, right? Is equal to 21 plus 4, 25. I need to find the value of the variable p. So p is equal to 25 into 5 becomes division 5. So we will get 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the value of p is 5. Let us see the fifth sum. Okay. So what is given? 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 12. Okay. Yes. What is 2 into x minus 1? So this 2 is common for these two things, right? So we have to multiply commonly with these two terms. So 2 into x, 2x. Okay. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 is equal to 12. Then now, so I am going to bring the constant term on side. So 2x is equal to 12 and minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 2x is equal to 12 plus 2, 14. And we need to find the value of the variable x. So x is equal to 14 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So what is the value of x now? 7. So x is equal to 7. Do you understand? Yes. Shall we move to the next one, children? Yes. 7 plus 3 into t plus 5 is equal to 31. Okay. So using BODMAS, we should not add this first because this is one term, this is one term. Right. So we have to multiply this 3 with these two. Okay. Yes, most of you will add this. That is wrong. See, BODMAS, we have to use BODMAS. First we should calculate the bracket, okay, and then only we have to do the addition parts, okay. Yes, so 7 plus 3 into t, 3t, 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 31. Now I can add the constants in this place. What is 7 plus 15? 22. 22 plus 3t is equal to 31. Okay. I want to find the value of the variable. I want to find the value of the variable t. So I am going to keep the term as it is here, and this plus 22 becomes minus 22. Okay. So 3t is equal to, what is 31 minus 22? 9. Okay, so t is equal to 9 by 3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So t is equal to 3. The value of t is 3. Let us see the seventh sum. Okay, what is given? 15 plus 3 into 4x minus 30 is equal to 33. Okay. So 15 as it is I am writing, plus 3 4s are 12x, 3 into 4x 12x, minus 30 into 3 minus 90 is equal to 33. Okay. So now what I am going to do? I am going to take 15 minus 90. What is 15 minus 90? Yes, minus 75 plus what is here 12x is equal to 33. Okay. So I need 12x. So I am just keeping this 12x as it is. And 33, this minus 75 becomes plus 75. So 12x is equal to 33 plus 75, 108. Okay. So I need the value of the variable x. So x is equal to 108 by 12. 12 ones are 12 nines are. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 9. Okay. Shall we move to the 8th sum? Yeah, listen to this. 5 into x plus 2 minus 9 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 2, 10. Minus 9 into x, minus 9x. Minus 9 into minus 2 plus 18 is equal to 0. Now you see 5x minus 9x minus 4x plus 10 plus 18. What you will get? Plus 28 is equal to 0. Okay. We need to find the value of the variable x. So I am just keeping this here itself and taking the constant term to that side. So minus 4x is equal to plus 28 becomes minus 28. So x is equal to minus 28 by minus 4. So now I can cancel minus minus. 4 ones are, 4 sevens are 28. So what is the value of x here? We are getting the value of x is 7. Do you understand? Shall we go to the last sum? Yes. 3x plus 5 is equal to 0.5x minus 7. Okay. I am going to bring the x terms one side and the constant term to the other side. So 3x and plus 0.5x becomes minus 0.5x is equal to minus 7 and plus 5 becomes minus 5. Okay. I want to subtract 3 and 0.5. So when I subtract, what I will get, children, is 2 minus 2.5 because plus 2.5 is, so 2.5 x is equal to minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Okay. Yes. Now x is equal to minus 12. This 2.5 into 2.5 becomes division 2.5. Okay. Now I am going to change this as a whole number to cancel. Yes. So how can I do? Here we have one decimal place. So I am going to multiply and divide it with 10. Okay. When I do like this, what I will get? Minus 120 divided by, yes, 2.5 into 10, we will get 25.0. There is no value for this 0 after the decimal. Okay. Shall we go by 5 table? Yes. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Remaining to 20. So 5 4s are 20. Okay. So what is the value of x I am getting? Minus 24 by 5. Okay. So I am dividing 24 by 5 means what I will get? 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 4. Keeping a point, adding a 0 is 5 8s are 40. Okay. So when I divide 24 by 5, I am getting 4.5. Here the minus symbol, here we have a minus symbol. So the answer is minus 4.5. So value of the variable x is minus 4.5. To receive our online classes, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.